Shwa, many happy returns of the day. God bless you, Kutta. Be responsible always. Always be helpful.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Oh, you're the most wonderful and the loveliest gift that God has given to us. You're a strong, intelligent, lovable, and a responsible child with lots of strength in himself. A really lovable kid. Keep doing well. You're very responsible. The only thing that you do is masti. Leave your phone and start studying. Concentrate on your studies. There's the 12th class exams board. I'm very sure you will do very well. You are a very intelligent boy. Do work hard. Don't leave things to the last moment. I know, I've seen you. You got the capabilities of doing outstanding things, and I'm very sure with little bit of concentration and dedication you will do the best in your life. You've always been there with me and Mama in the most thickest and thinnest of the times. I've seen you in pain. You really fight it out from within. You can take a lot of pain, I know it. And you don't show that you're undergoing it. May God bless you with lots of wonderful things and wonderful gifts in future to come. You've got a wonderful sense of music. You play the piano very well, and I really love it. So does your brother Ginger. So does Mama. So have a great day. Have a great birthday. Have a great celebration at Anna's house. And wish everybody a very, very happy birthday. Do remember, always pray in the morning before you start anything. Before you go to school, before you go for tuition. God bless you, son. Many, many more to come, and many, many more celebrations to come. Bye. Take care.
जोशुआ खुश तो बहुत होंगे तुम आज क्योंकि तुम्हारा बर्थडे है। अच्छा भैया, हैप्पी बर्थडे। एंजॉय योर डे, समझा? एंजॉय।
Hi Joshua, here's wishing you a very happy birthday. May the good Lord bless you in abundance today and always. And I hope you have a wonderful day and a great year ahead. A very crucial year for you. I wish you all the success and the very best for this year. And I like you, cool man, for the mechanical brains you have. You know, the way you resolve mechanical issues. So happy to see you do that. So I pray that, you choose a field of your liking after 12th and you do well. Grow strong, Joshua, not only physically but also spiritually. Okay? God's blessing is abundant on you. Do well. Wish you all the best. God bless.
Birthday, Joshua. God bless you. The day I remember of you, the moment when I remember of you is when the day when you got your keys, keyboard, start playing in our engagement was so good. And then we really bonded over the time when we were in old Bangalore. It was so good, so nice. I still remember of those days. Uh, Hope to catch up with more of your music and more of your games. I know we're gonna have a lot of fun together. So it was really nice meeting you, and so God bless you. You have a wonderful year ahead. Take care, buddy. All the best, buddy.
Study well and get into the engineering college. Okay? Have a bright.
In advance, Joshua. God bless you. Have a wonderful evening with your cousins. And something I wanted to tell you was, when you came down for Anna's wedding, it was so sweet of you when I gave you a small job of writing down all the names of the ladies and the children who had applied Mehndi. And you did the job so well. I really appreciate you for that. Work hard, and I'm sure you'll score very good marks in 12th. God bless you. You are very good in music. You improve the talent of yours. What else to say? Thank you and love you lots.
Hello Joshua Kutta. As you turn 17, here comes a wish from Mom. A very happy birthday with loads of love, hugs, kisses. May God bless you. I don't remember any funny incidents, but I must tell you, God has blessed you with plenty of good qualities. So grow up with that. Like you are a very observant child. You are a responsible person. You will complete a work whenever it is given to you, I know. Then always keep up the good qualities God has blessed you with. You have very good talents also. Music is your life, I know. So may you always continue to play music and do well in music. I know that you used to play music for the church, for the whole mass in Calcutta, and everybody enjoyed the music you played. So you will continue with all good things. I once again wish you very, very happy birthday, and God bless you, take care of you, guide you, protect you, lead you on in this life according to His plan. May He always be with you. I love you, Kutta. God bless you.
So, wish you a very happy, super 17th birthday. We won't be there for the celebrations, but good. Nushku and Nainu will be there after a long, long time. I think last they were there when we used to visit Kerala. So enjoy. Be a good boy. I mean, not that you're not a good boy. You are a good boy. Continue to be a good boy. Study well. It's going to be an important year for you. So wish you all the very best for that. Pray that God shows you the way, the right path, the right profession. Continue to make sweet music for God, and enjoy this day with your family, with everyone. Have a great time, a great year, and God bless.
Joshua, many happy returns of the day. There is a character, Joshua, in Old Testament. He is the one who leads Israelis to the promised land after Moses. I also believe that Joshua, there is a promised land for you, but that God has prepared. I'm sure you listen to the voice of God and He will lead you to the promised land. to your promised land. Once again, happy birthday and many happy returns of the day.
Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Joshu. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Joshu. Happy birthday Joshu. Do you remember this song? This was the song that we used to sing to you during our summer vacation when we, were this little baby, to put you to sleep, to get you to stop crying. These were the songs that we used to sing for you. This was the song that we used to sing for you. The cutest memory of you, when I think about that story, is how in the mornings, all of us in Kerala, when we would be sleeping, we'd all be like all grouchy, when we are woken up. But you were the kid, if anybody tries to wake you up, you would just get up and say, good morning. And that was so cute. I've never seen a child do that. And that's an amazing memory I have of yours. And I'm so glad that over the last few years we've gotten closer and we've had our times, especially I think the last 2-3 years. It's been great. Like we've gotten our times, we were able to spend some good quality time together. We've had our heart-to-heart talks, and it's been wonderful. I'm so happy that I have a brother like you, and I love you. Happy birthday, have a wonderful year ahead. God bless you, do well in your studies, in everything that you want to do, in everything that you dream of. I hope you get what you dream of and you're able to fulfill your potential, which I know is great because you're an amazing guy.
Happy birthday, Joshua. I'm recording this video from office. Hope you have a wonderful day. You have been, it's really nice that you're in Bangalore right now, and then we have so much of time together as brothers to spend. And thank you so much for being such a great help during Anna's wedding. Took a lot off my shoulders. From the Mehendi's event to the rest of the events. Our bond has gotten stronger as you have grown up, obviously, because you have come closer to my age, and I think we're going to cherish more of these moments as years go by. And next we have Romina's engagement and wedding coming up, so as brothers we need to work on that. Lots of love. I love you a lot, man. Take care.
Hi Joshua, first of all, a very happy birthday. God bless you in abundance. Have a great year ahead. God bless you with all that you need to make the year a beautiful one for you, okay? And no doubt you will do very well in your studies. I expect you to. So, Auntie just come back from office, having a cup of tea and eating potato chips and a few biscuits, okay? I actually changed my dress, then I remembered, oh my god, I have to do this video for Joshua. Then I ran back, changed again, and I'm sitting now. I forgot to put my makeup, but it's okay. Your auntie is always ugly. Okay, everyone listen carefully, okay? Because when Joshua gets his first job, I'm going to sue him for any kind of backache I have. When he was a little baby, he must have been just like 2 years. And when we were in the Alve house, I think they were visiting from Bangalore. I don't know if it was at the time when Jacob uncle, Joshua's papa, was in Kargil. And I used to do my exercise in the morning when I was at home from Divine on Saturday mornings or Sunday morning. And Joshua would just come when I'm lying on my tummy to do my back exercise. Joshua would come and sit on my back, okay? And then, like I'm trying to lift myself, he will stand up. And then when I push myself down, he will sit down again on me. Oh my God. I used to feel like laughing. I used to try and call Novi auntie, please come and save me. Save me. And then he would think that, what is wrong in me sitting on my auntie's back? But he didn't realize what he was doing. So please keep a note. If there's a problem with my back, Joshua will pay for it. Another incident that I remember is his ever famous thing of going into this he'll start crying. Like if he hurts himself or something happens and he starts crying, then he keeps his mouth open and we cannot get him to close it. We'll all be so we'll be in a panic mode. And once it happened that Novi auntie and mom had to go to the doctor, and Romina and I were taking care of Joshua, babysitting Joshua. I was doing something in the house, sweeping, I think, and my usual favorite job. And then Joshua was under the dining table. He hurt his toe or little finger, something, and he let out one scream, and Romina ran to pick him up. And when she picked up, she said, "Florrie auntie!" Like his mouth was open and she couldn't get it to close. So I tried to run. In the process, I slipped and fell, but I stood up. And a Joshua! And then we put him on the dining table, and then we splashed some water, and thankfully he closed his mouth, and then he was crying normal. Oh God! So for all those things, we will charge him when he gets his first job, okay? Anyway, Joshua, have a great day. Enjoy yourself with your cousins and actually your own brothers and sisters. No cousins. You're all only 6 altogether, okay? Take care. Enjoy. Have a great day. God bless you. Love you.
Happy
Bye-bye.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Have a nice day, Joshua.
Have amazing year ahead.
God bless you. You're a big boy now, okay? We love you. Take care. Mwah. Bye.